Okay, so now we can connect all the dots. This is one of the pages that has the global footer, right? It can be any page that has it. Once you make the changes here, the changes are going to be applied to the other ones as well. So now what we need to do is we need to put all three links of these pages that we created in here. So let's click on it here. Over here, you can see these are the three kind of the sections or whatever you want to call them, not sections, but like links, right? So let's click on the first one. Let's edit it, terms and conditions, and it says go to URL, and here's the URL, right? So it's terms and conditions. Let's go back to where we created them. So let's go here. Let's just copy the link. Let's paste it in here. Submit. Next one, privacy policy. Same thing. We have the page here. Let's paste it in here. Submit. And contact us. Let's open it. Let's paste it in here. And submit. So let's click publish. Yeah, and here you can see it kind of warns you beforehand that, it affects other global sections as well. So yeah, let's click OK. It's all published. So let's just say, yeah, this is the landing page. Let's go check out the thank you page to see whether that footer got changed as well. So yeah, let's just go back, just kind of two birds, one stone. Not only see whether the links are working, but also whether they work on all the footers. Okay, so now we have the thank you page open. Here you can see the footer. Let's click on the first one. It's supposed to open in a new tab. There you go. That's the first one. Let's open the second one. Just click on it, privacy policy. Looks like, obviously the formatting needs to be improved upon, but to save time, I kind of skipped over that stuff. But don't go crazy, but maybe put in like the 3 to 5 minutes more into this just to kind of make it look a little bit cleaner. And let's check out the contact us form. There it is. Again, I haven't finished everything, but it's functional now at least. That's pretty much it. I guess maybe the other thing I would have done is which I just noticed, make this one mandatory, like a required field. And also, I'm not sure, I don't think I named the workflow. It would be a good thing to actually give the workflow a name. I kind of have a tendency to forget that every once in a while, so I might have done that again. So make sure to, just like you name the form, name the pages, name the funnels, also name the workflows, give everything a name. That's pretty much it. That's a footer. As you can see, we set it up on the landing page, but it applies to the thank you page as well. So it's a global footer, so it applies to all the pages where it's in, and we got it out of the way, so we don't have to worry about it anymore. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video then. Bye.